Dear students, good morning. Last class we have completed till 8th sum. Now we are going to see from 9th sum onwards in exercise 8.4. See, 3 unbiased coins or tossed ones. So we have to write 3 coin sample space now. Find the probability of getting at most 2 tails or at least 2 hits. 2 events are there. At most 2 tail is first event, at least 2 tail is second event. So we have to use that addition theorem on probability formula, P of A union B formula. So now we have to write for sample space. Already I said for 3 coins. First you write 2 coin sample space twice. HH, HT, TH, TT. Then again you write HH, TH, TT. Join head with first 4 event, then join tail with second 4 events. So now we will get 3 coin sample space. So n of s equal to 8. So total is number of sample space 8. So first one is at most 2 tails. So let A be the event of getting at most 2 tails. At most 2 tails. What is meaning for at most 2 tails? Maximum 2 tail. So maximum 2 tail means 2 1 less than 2 tails we can be take. So 1 tail possible, 1 tail possible, 2 tail possible, 1 tail possible, 2 tail possible, 2 tails possible, 3 tails not possible. So less than 2 tail means if there is no tail, that also possible. So it should not be cross 2 tails. So less than 2 tails and all we can be select. So no tail, 1 tail, 1 tail, 2 tails, 1 tail, 2 tails, 2 tails possible except these 3 tails. So now A equal to HHH, HTH, THH, TTH, HHT, HTT, THT. So totally 7 events. So n of A equal to 7. So now P of A equal to n of A by n of S. So 7 by 8. So we got first event probability. Then next one, let B be the event of getting at least 2 hits. Let B be the event of getting at least 2 hits. So B equal to at least 2 means 2 1 more than 2 hits are possible. So 2 hit and more than 2 hit we can select now. 3 hit possible, 2 hit possible, 2 hit possible, 1 hit not possible, 2 hit possible, 1 hit not possible, 1 hit, no hit. So at least 2 hit means 2 hit and more than 2 hit. So 2 hit and 3 hit we selected now. So B equal to HHH, HTH, THH, HHT. So now n of B equal to, P of B, n of B equal to 4 events. So next P of B equal to n of B by n of S. So 4 by 8. Then next we want to be find out common events for A and B. So now A intersection B. So find out common events. Triple H common. Then HTH common. Then THH common. Then HHT also common. So 4 events are common. So n of A intersection B equal to 4. So P of A intersection B equal to n of A intersection B by n of S. So 4 by n of s value is 8. Now we can be substituting the formula. The formula is P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. P of A value is 7 by 8. P of B value is 4 by 8. P of A intersection B value is 4 by 8. Plus 4 by 8 minus 4 by 8, 0. So the answer is 7 divided by 8. So now probability value is 7 by 8.
Exercise 8.4 10th sum. The probability that the person will get an electrification contract is 3 by 5 and the probability that he will not get plumbing contract is 5 by 8. The probability of getting at least one contract is 5 by 7. What is the probability that he will get both?
See 10th sum. The probability that a person will get an electrification contract is 3 by 5. So next, plumbing contract. And the probability that he will not get plumbing contract is 5 by 8. So you have to take B be the event of getting plumbing contract. So not getting plumbing contract means that is P of B bar value. So that is 5 by 8. For getting electrification contract 3 by 5. Not getting plumbing contract is 5 by 8. Getting at least any one of the contract value is 5 by 7. What is the probability that he will get both contract? So we want to be find out P of A intersection B value. So we know P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So we need, already we have P of A union B value, P of A value. So we have to be find out P of B value, but we know only P of B bar value. So let me find out first P of B bar value, B value. See, one P of B bar is 5 by 8. P of B bar can be written as 1 minus P of B, that is equal to 5 by 8. Now bring this one this side. So we will get P of B minus P of B equal to 5 by 8 minus 1. Now you want to take cross multiply. So 5 ones are 5, 8 ones are 8 by 8 ones are 8. 5 minus 8 value is minus P of B equal to minus 3 by 8. So minus minus cancel. So now we got P of B value, that is 3 by 8. Now we can be substitute here. See, P of A value given in the question, B bar value is given, P of B bar. So now we found P of B value, then P of A union B also given in the question. So next we can be substitute in the formula. Which one we are going to find out now? P of A intersection B. So we can bring this side first. P of A intersection B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. So P of A value is 3 by 5 plus P of B value is 3 by 8 minus P of A union B value is 5 by 7. So first we will complete the addition, then we can do the subtract. Do the multiply. 8 3s are 24, 5 3s are 15 by 5 8s are 40 minus 7, 5 by 7. 5 by 7. So 24 plus 15 value is 39. So 39 by 40 minus 5 by 7. Again 39 into 7. 9 7s are 63, 6, 21, 21 plus 6 is 273. So 273 minus 5 divided by 7 into 40 is 280. So 40 into 5 is 200. So 39 into 7, 273, 5 into 40, 200 by 40 into 7 is 280. So 273 minus 200 value is 73. So 73 divided by 280. So getting both contract probability value is 73 divided by 280.
11th sum. In a town of 8,000 people, 1,300 are over 50 years and 3,000 are females. It's known that 30% of the females are over 50 years. What is the probability that a chosen individual from the town is either a female or over 50 years?
See, 11th sum. In a town 8,000 people, so n of s equal to 8,000, 1,300 over 50 years. So those are completed 50 years, 1,300 people. Then 3,000 are females. So totally 3,000 females are there. It's now that 30% of females are over 50 years. So in the 3,000 people, 30% of completed over 50 years. So, what is the probability that a chosen individual from a town is either female or over 50 years? See, first one, let A be the event of getting female. So, how many females are there? Totally 3,000. So, n of A value is now 3,000. Then next, P of A equal to n of A by n of S. So, 3,000 divided by 8,000. Then next, let B be the event of getting over 50 years. So, totally 1,300 people are over 50 years. So, 1,300 n of B. Then P of B equal to n of B by n of S. That is equal to 1,300 by 8,000. Next, we want to be find out common. N of A intersection B. Number of A intersection B. See, which is we want to be find out common for female and over 50 years. So, over 50 years including male and female. So, we want to be find out first 30% of male, because the 30% of male only completed 50 years. So, we want totally 3,000 females are there. In the 3,000 female, 30% are over 50 years. So, we want to be calculate 30% of 3,000. 30% of 3,000. That is common for over 50 years and female. See, 30 by 100 into 3,000. So, we will get 900. So, totally 900 females are completed 50 years. So, now n of A intersection B value is 900. So, P of A intersection B value is n of A intersection B by n of S. 900 by 8,000. N of S value is 8,000. So, now we got all three values, P of A, P of B, P of A intersection B. Now, we can be substitute in the formula. P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So, now P of A value is 3,000 by 8,000. 3,000 by 8,000. Then P of B value is 1,300 by 8,000. 1,300 by 8,000 minus common value is 900 by 8,000. So, whole divided by 8,000. 3,000 plus 1,300 is 4,300 minus 900. Now, we have to subtract 4,300 and 900. So, we will get 3,400 divided by 8,000. So, 0, 0 get cancelled. We can be cancelled by 2 tables. So, 17. Here we will get 40. So, now the probability value is 17 divided by 40. See, 12th sum. A coin is tossed thrice. So, write 3 coin sample space. Find the probability of getting exactly 2 hit. Exactly 2 hit. Exactly 2 hits. Then at least one tail or two consecutive hits. So 3 events are there. So A, B, C, 3 events formula we have to use here. See, first one, we want to write sample space. So number of sample space is 8. Let A be the event of getting exactly 2 hit. So it should not be cross 2. Correctly, we should select only 2 hits event. So A equal to, here 2 hit, HTH. So write HTH. Then THH, 2 hits are there. THH. Then here only 1 hit we can't select. Here 2 hit. So HHT, that's all. So only 3 events are exactly 2 hit events. So N of A equal to 3. So P of A equal to N of A by N of S, 3 divided by 8. Then second event, let B be the event of getting at least 1 tail. So at least 1 tail means 1 and more than 1 tails are possible. So no tail we can't select. We can select HTH, 1 tail is there. THH, 1 tail is there. TTH, at least 1 means 1 and more than 1. So 2 tails we can select. Then HHT, fully we can be right because all the events we have tails. So HTT, THT, TTT. So totally 7 events. N of B equal to 7. So P of B equal to N of B by N of S. So 7 divided by 8. Then next, C be the event of getting 2 consecutive hits. So 2 consecutive hits means continuously 2 hits should be there. So here we have continuously 2 hit. So C equal to HHH. We need continuously 2 hits. So continuously we have 2 hits here. And here also continuous 2 hits are there. THH, HHT. That's all. Continuous 2 hits events are only 3. So N of C equal to 3. So P of C equal to N of C by N of S, 3 by 8. Next we want to be find out A intersection B value. See, find out common for A and B. HTH common, THH common, HHT also common. So these 3 ones are common for both A and B. So write HTH, THH, HHT. So N of A intersection B equal to 3. P of A intersection B equal to N of A intersection B by N of S, 3 by 8. Then next we want to be find out B and C common events. B and C. See, triple H, there is no triple H. Then THH, here also we have THH. So THH is common for both. Then HHT, common for both. So write HHT. So only 2 events are common. So N of B intersection C equal to 2. P of B intersection C equal to N of B intersection C by N of S. So 2 divided by 8. Next one. B and C over, then C and A or A and C. A and C common events. HTH, no HTH, THH is common. So write THH, then HHT also common for both. So HHT. Now N of A intersection C equal to 2. So P of A intersection C equal to N of A intersection C by N of S, 2 by 8. Next we want to be find out common for all 3 events. A intersection, B intersection, C. So which is common for all 3? HTH, HTH, there is no HTH. So this is not common. THH, THH, THH. So THH is common for all 3. Then HHT, HHT, HHT. So that also common for all 3. So For all three common events are 2. N of A intersection B intersection C equal to 2. So P of A intersection B intersection C equal to N of A intersection B intersection C by N of S equal to 2 by 8. Now we got all the values. We can be substituting the formula. See, write the formula. P of A union B union C equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A and B, A intersection B, minus P of B intersection C, then A and C, then P of A intersection B intersection C. So first P of A value is 3 by 8, P of B value is 7 by 8, P of C value is 3 by 8 minus A and C value is, A and B value is 3 by 8, B and C 2 by 8, then 2 by 8, at last minus 2 by, minus 3 by 8, minus 2 by 8, minus 2 by 8, then plus 2 by 8. P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C value, then minus P of A intersection B value, A intersection C value, then P of A intersection B intersection C value, plus 2 by 8 minus 2 by 8 cancel, plus 3 by 8 minus 3 by 8 cancel, then remaining values are 3 by 8, 7 by 8 minus 2 by 8, all same denominator. So 7 plus 3 10, 10 minus 2 is 8, so 8 by 8. If we are cancelling, we will get 1. So the probability value is now 1.
13th sum, if A, B, C are any 3 events such that probability of B is twice as the probability of A and the probability of C is thrice as the probability of A, and if P of A intersection B equal to 1 by 6, P of B intersection C equal to 1 by 4, P of A intersection C equal to 1 by 8, P of A union B union C equal to 9 by 10, P of A intersection B intersection C equal to 1 by 15. Then find P of A, P of B and P of C.
See 13th sum, P of A and P of B is twice of P of A given in the question. P of C is thrice of P of A. So P of C equal to 3 into P of A. Now P of A intersection B value is 1 by 6. P of B intersection C value is 1 by 4. P of A intersection C value is 1 by 8. P of A union B union C value is 9 by 10. P of A intersection B intersection C value is 1 by 15. Find P of A, P of B and P of C values. So write the formula because 3 events this. P of A union B union C equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of C intersection A plus P of A intersection B intersection C. Now we will substitute all the values. P of A union B union C value is 9 by 10. So 9 by 10 equal to same P of A, P of B we can change to P of A, P of C we can change 3 P of A minus A intersection B value is 1 by 6, B and C value is 1 by 4, then A and C value is minus 1 by 8 and all 3 common probability value is 1 by 15. So write 1 by 15. So now we have to simplify this. Then we have to separate constant term and variable P of A terms. So 9 by 10, 1 P of A, 2 P of A, 3 P of A. So totally 6 P of A minus we have to take LCM 6, 4, 8, 15. 6, 4, 8, 15. So now by 2 table 3 time, 2 time, 4 time, same 15 will come. Now again 2 table we can take 1, 2, 15, then 3 table 1 1, then 5 times take by 2 table 1 1 1, this 5, then by 5 table 1 1 1. So we will get 2 to 4 12 24, 24 into 5 120. So LCM of 6 4 8 15 value is 120. So for all the denominator we should bring 120. So see, 1 by 6 into, we should multiply by 20, then only we will get here 120. Then 1 by 4 is there, we should multiply by 30, then only we will get 120. Then 1 by 8 is there, so 8 into 15. See, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then remaining 3 and 5. So 5 3s are 15. So 15 into 8 we will get 120. Now 1 by 15 is there. So into 8 into 8. 9 by 10, 6 P of A minus 20 by 120, 30 by 120 minus 15 by 120 plus 8 by 120. Now all the denominators are same. See, these three are in same sign. So we can be at minus 20 and minus 30, minus 50, minus 50 and minus 15, minus 65, minus 65 and plus 8. Minus 65 and plus 8 value is 57. So minus 57 we will get. Minus 57. So write 6 P of A minus 57 divided by 120. That is equal to 9 by 10. Bring this minus 57 by 120 this side. We will get 9 by 10 plus 57 by 120 equal to 6 P of A. See, 10 and 20, we can bring here 120. So both we can be multiplied by 12 to bring 120 here. So plus 57 by 120 equal to 6 P of A. So 9 into 12, 108. 108 by 10 into 12, 120. 57 by 120 equal to 6 P of A. Same denominator, add the numerator value, so you will get 165 divided by 120 equal to 6 P of A. Now we can be cancelled by 5 table this side. So 3 times 5, 3 times 33 here, 2 times and 4 times, so 24. Again by 3 table we can be cancelled. 11 times and this is 8 times. See, 11 by 8 equal to 6 P of A. Bring this 6 this side. So 8 6 are 48. 11 by 48 equal to P of A. So now we got P of A value. Next we want to be find out P of B value. So we already, they said P of B equal to twice of P of A. So 2 into, what is P of A value? 11 by 48. So write 11 by 48. This is 1 time, 24 times. So 11 by 24. Then P of C we want to find out. So P of C equal to thrice of P of A given in the question. So 3 into P of A value is 11 by 48. So write 11 by 48. 1 time. This is 16 times. So 11 by 16. This is P of C value. This is P of B value and this is P of A value. So now we got all three probability values. Note down the assignment sum. Exercise 8.4, 14th sum. Then next, a card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting king or a heart or a red card. Thank you.